Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly, it does not respond to your touches, and you actually cannot tap on anything or open anything. We can try to force to restart it so the system will be restarted and it should work perfectly fine. So the first thing you would like to do is to press the power button. However, after pressing it, the Siri feature will be open. So it is assigned to it and basically it will now work at all. So that is why we have to use a special combination of keys, which is the volume up, volume down, and then the power button. So let me try to do it. Volume up, volume down, and power button. As you can see, we've got this option slide to power off, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So let's keep pressing the power button for approximately like 8 seconds maybe. We've got this black screen, we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that in a second our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.